Hi, I'm Elly, a legal ops engineer at Wordsmith. I want to explain how you can harness Wordsmith to create custom blueprints as the foundation for your legal team's drafting. By taking your regularly used documents and building blueprints from them, you enable your team to create reliable, trusted documents from small amounts of context. Wordsmith does a lot of the heavy lifting for you. If we take this employment contract template with placeholders in square brackets and upload it, Wordsmith processes it, pulls out the placeholders, and begins to draft prompts for the blueprint. Once that's complete, we have a list of all of the variables for content to be updated and Wordsmith's suggested logic for filling them in, like this party name variable here. If you wanted a simple find and replace tool, you could stop here, but let's take this a step further. By selecting a drop-down for the format, we create an optional variable. This means that the blueprint will look at the context, listen to its prompt, and make a decision for you. Let's add one for governing law. Say we've got offices in the UK and in the US. We'll create the option for that here. Now in the prompt, we link the variable to the location of the employee's office. So if they're working in the English office, all the relevant clauses throughout the entire document, from public holidays to third-party rights, will update to the wording used and required in England and Wales. But if they're based in the US, it will change the wording to align with the relevant US state accordingly. By creating an interwoven blueprint, we minimize the level of input needed each time it's used. So let's try emailing Wordsmith and asking for an employment contract for Tom Smith from Austin. Give his salary, job title, and a few other benefits. The blueprint takes just this information and populates the entire contract using its understanding of the law, guided by the prompts we created for each variable. You can do this across any document, from DPIAs to NDAs. This feature, along with the pre-made bundles of blueprints for CoSec, data protection, and employment, are available in Wordsmith from today, with more coming soon. Drafting just got a whole lot easier. If you're not already in Wordsmith, book a demo today and try it for yourself.